Hello and welcome back. I have created one data frame. We are going to do arithmetic operation in this data frame. First of all, let's see our data frame here. Let's make d of multiply by 2 and see. Here all the values are multiplied by 2. If you divide by 2, then it will make all the value. Let's make d of plus 100 and see if it add or not. Yes, this is the original df. Not this is not this will not change the df, and it will assign the new variable in means temporary variable, and it will print that. But if you want to print in any another variable, you can do like this. Same as I will make this df is equal to df multiply 2. This will make an assigned value, and let's see, this is the change in df, and this is the arithmetic operation you can make. Suppose you want to make on columns. Let's see, suppose there is one c is equal to df dot I log, this is the 0th position, and c the c and c is January, February and March, and this is giving this position, and this is the 0th position. Let's see, 0 position is this age value, and if you subtract this, suppose you have subtract this as df minus c is equal to, you will get the value here, and something like this. It is subtracting all the values here, means this is subtracting all the columns here from this. It is means it will subtract this column, this column, this column, and this column. If you want to subtract some more values like this, you can make. If you want to subtract these two values also, you can make this. Let's print. First of all, we will make df2. Suppose df2 is equal to, I will make df, and let's make from 0 is to 3 position, and it will go with the run of 1, means it will print from 0 and n 3 minus 1 means 2 second position, and with the increment of 1. Let's print df2, and it should give me abc. Yes, it is giving me abc. Now add this to data frame, and let's make df2 plus df, for this df plus df2, and we are getting d is equal to n, because we have already studied in this previous arithmetic operation in the series that if there is no columns or rows in that series, and we cannot add that. But here is, this is another series, but this is no, that was no series, but here is data frame. Data frame is same as that. If you have no on row, then you cannot add anything there. This is how you can know the arithmetic operation here, and other things you can do like this. If you want to change only of some rows like this, suppose the same like this, I will make of this, and I will pass a row as this. Suppose I will pass February, and see df2 plus df, and it is giving me all nan value. Why it is giving me? I will see df2 should give me some values abc of February month, but in the February month it is not giving me. It is giving me nan abc d, and it is giving the first, it is of 3 columns, and let's make all the columns. This you will get these values here, because January has been moved in the different places as there. And let's see, in next video we will make indexing of the data frame. That will be also a short lecture, and let's meet in the next video.